Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Omio account. So first of all, launch open Omio application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Omio application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top of this interface, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the sign in interface. You can either continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or continue with email. Simply tap on the sign in method that you used while creating the account. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with email. If you also want to continue with email, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, what you have to do is enter your email address. So simply enter your email address. Now what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the verification code will be sent to your account. What you have to do is launch open Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Omio has sent me the email. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the Omio application. Now what you have to do is enter that verification code over here. Now after entering the verification code, tap on the sign in option. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Omio account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.